Hey guys, so today I have a 5 first impressions for you, and I'm excited to play with new makeup because I haven't played with any in a little while. I've already started making Halloween videos, so I kind of got sucked into that world, and I didn't actually try any of the stuff from my hauls. So I'm really excited, so I hope you guys are too. The first thing I wanted to try was this MUA Professional Travel Brow Kit, and it has 2 universal brow shades, brow wax, and the brow brush. It looks like this. And I had taken it out of packaging earlier before I filmed this just to see if this is like what I wanted to try out first. But it seems legit. I like felt this wax, and it is pretty waxy, pretty soft and nice, so I feel like I'll like the consistency of it. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a mirror, but the packaging is really sturdy, and it's really thin and sleek, so I really like that. And then it comes with the 2 brow shades here. So let's try. I'm going to put the glue on first. Let me get a mirror here since it doesn't have one. That really is my only downside right now. And I'm going to add it to my brows. I know I look super crazy because I have like some makeup done, and I omitted the stuff that I wanted to try, so this video wouldn't be a million years long. So I think I'm going to go in with the darker shade just because, well, I can go in the lighter shade first. That won't hurt anything. See if I can even use it. Usually the lighter shades I don't ever really get to use because my eyebrows are too dark. And I feel like that doesn't look horrible, but I feel like it's not showing up that much. But I'm going to add it a little bit more to see. Yeah, this mirror thing is already bugging me a little bit. Yeah, that's barely there. I mean, if you need like sparse areas, you know, a more natural look, you could use the lighter shade. So I feel like I will get some use out of it. It's not too light that it won't show up on me. Let's see. Oh, that's like not so bad. Now let me try the darker shade. It's gliding on really easily. It's pigmented. That was like super easy and fast for like what I would want on everyday or traveling, I feel like. I like it so far. I'm just gonna fix the end of this brow a little bit more. Brows take the longest to work on, I feel like, for every person. I always like to thicken mine up a little bit. I know, I don't know why I like thick lashes, but I do. I feel like a lot of people don't love my eyebrows. I know I went, like, a quick story time. I went to get my nails done once, and this was years ago, because I don't usually get my nails done. I don't know why, it's expensive, and I never justify the cost, even though it looks really pretty, like, I can tell, but I don't ever really paint my nails that much, and I'm super girly, but for some reason that's the one area that I lack in, that I just don't care about. I have 2 little ones that I feel like I'm always running around, and I just don't have time to care about the way my nails look. And I know that that's dumb. I always have the intention of it, but I just never do. But anyways, I got my nails done, and the tech was like, hey, I can do your eyebrows too. And I was like, oh, I don't need my eyebrows done. She was like, I can make them look nice. And I was like, I mean, they're fine, I like them. And she was like, oh no, they're too thick. And I was like, well, that's your opinion, but I just want my nails done. Like, that's it. And I thought it was kind of rude because, like, I obviously said, you know, don't want my nails done. Or don't want my eyebrows done. I want just my nails done. And I know that she thought she was helping or whatever. But I feel like if I already said no, and then you're just like, I can make them look better. Like, it's not like your nails. It's like something that's on your face. I don't know. She just didn't like my eyebrows, and it was plain to see, and that's fine. That's her opinion. But I was just like, yeah, you know. It was an awkward situation. I didn't know how to feel after that. That's not why I stopped getting my nails done, but it was just an awkward experience. But yeah, I like that so far. Sorry about the tangent. So yeah, the Makeup Academy brow products, I like that one, so I'm interested to try other ones from them now. I guess I'll go in with shadow. I'm going to try the SINFUL color Shady Babe cream eyeshadow, and I have it in Enchanting and Glamorous. Glamorous is the rose gold, and Enchanting is this blue color. I cannot talk today. So I'm going to try a little bit of both with my finger because I feel like that's the easiest way to apply this. I put some brown eyeshadow in the crease and on the inner corner, just one dark brown shade to make it really simple. And I'm going to go in with the navy color first. It comes with this like little doe foot applicator, and I have a different color, like a green and like gray color of this, and I really love that, but I was interested to see if like the pigmentation across the board is good. So I think I'm just gonna dab a tiny little bit on the corner and blend that in almost to the center. I'm going to do that on both sides. I know it looks a little bit crazy, but it blends in really easily. I just want to diffuse the color just a tad, but it is really pigmented. Only blending does it like change in the least. Add a tad bit more. I feel like that side had more pigmentation. And then I am going to take a brush. I'm going to take like a little fluffy brush and kind of work that into the crease a little bit. And the same on the other side, just to blend it in. And like smoke it out, basically. That's what I want. It's like a pop of navy, but it's like really toned down, so I really like the shade. And now I'm going to put the rose gold over top of it. And this I'm actually going to apply on my finger and not directly on my lid. And just focus that on top. That's a really pigmented rose gold color though. And then I'm going to kind of push it like backwards this way to blend it in with that blue. It kind of gives it like an ombre effect when you do that. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the rose gold. I really like the shade though. And then brush it back with the blue. It's just really, really, really pretty. I really, really like that. I feel like this one's going out further than the other side. Make that a little bit more even. But all in all, that's a really like pretty combo. And like I said, it's more toned down, like a bright smoky eye type thing. That's really, really pretty. I am going to take a fluffy brush and just fix, dropping everything. Fix a little bit of the blue on this side to blend it in a little bit more. It got up a little bit above the crease. I want to keep everything right there. It dries kind of really quickly too, because now I feel like it's not budging as much. But that's still really, really pretty. I really like that. And now I'm going to try the Makeup Academy retractable eyeliner in Midnight Black, and I got the mini size again because these are always at the CVS little displays in the front near the register, and they always have like mini sizes to try out the makeup of different brands before committing to the full size, which I like. So it's this teeny little eyeliner, and then it has like a little pointed tip, which I like that it's already like that. And let's see how this glides on, especially over cream. It's like a perfect time to try it out. oh, it's like hard. You definitely feel it rubbing like across your lid. I don't know if I like that. I mean, it's showing up pretty easily, but it's not soft at all. And I have sensitive eyes, so this is like a little bit annoying. It's like really scratching. It's not an enjoyable sensation. And I feel like it's so thin that you have to go through a lot. I just don't like how it's tugging. It really doesn't feel good. Like it really feels like I'm lightly scratching my eye, which is dumb. It's hard to like make this perfect because I feel like I'm just tugging and tugging and it's like pulling, and then I can't get it to be like perfectly precise and straight. Even though it is really pigmented, it's a retractable liner, but it feels like a pencil one. And I don't really love just pencils for like upper lid lines in general, just because it doesn't flow as easily. I mean, it's defined. I don't even want to do a wing. I don't want to like cause any extra wrinkles here. That's what it feels like. It's really tugging, and I just don't want to add it to anything else. So I would say no on this pencil. I will use it up, but I wouldn't recommend purchasing a full thing of it. It just doesn't feel nice. Maybe if I heated it up, but I don't do all that work usually for an eyeliner. So that's a no-go for me. Now I'm going to add mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I finished the eye look. Just put like brown shadow on the bottom lashes and mascara, and completed that look. And now I want to try lip stuff. So I have this E.L.F. lip liner and blending brush in dark brown, and I figure it's fall, so I can finally start busting out all the brown stuff that I have and that I haven't tried out yet. And I should probably show the packaging first. I'm the worst when I like haven't done this in a while. This is the packaging for it, and then this is what the lip liner actually looks like. Sleek matte black packaging, two-sided. This is the brown tip, and then this is the brush on the other side. The brush is really soft, so I think it'll work just fine. So I'm going to line my lips with this and see what happens. This is also really hard and tugging. There's a lot of like pigment to it, but I hope y'all can see. The formula itself I feel like is creamy, but applying it is kind of harsh a little bit. But it's the same with pencils. I just feel like when it comes in a twist up tube like this, it shouldn't be as hard as a pencil. And I feel like other lip liners are much more creamy when they go glide on. This one kind of feels a lot better than the eyeliner I just put on, but still has that tugging motion to it. So, but I like the color, and I think I'm going to fill it in a little bit more just to really darken up and create like an ombre effect with the lipstick I chose. That should do the trick. I guess I could try the blending brush out while I'm here. Just blend it out a little bit more. It does like blend it out, but I feel like it's taking away some of the pigment. And it doesn't feel as soft on my lips as it felt on my finger. So, I don't know. It's okay. It's not my favorite lip liner in the world, but it's really inexpensive, so to each their own. It'll get the job done for sure. And I'm not above that. I will deal with the hassle. But if you guys are picky, I'm just letting you know. Now I'm going to try, I already opened it because I'm like way ahead of myself. This is the MUA Makeup Academy Semi-Matte Lipstick in the shade Flesh. Again, this is like in that CVS kiosk to try. I chose different shades, but this is the shade that I wanted to try. It looks like this. It's a chubby stick lipstick. And I feel like it will go nicely with this lip liner. I thought that was going to be lighter than it is. It's kind of like almost the same shade as the liner. Slightly more pigmented, but super creamy. Is it showing up on my hand? Like softer pink? No, I guess. The brown is just making it less soft, but that's like the swatch. So yeah, as you can see, it kind of looks similar to my lips. It's just a little bit darker because of the lip liner. But that's actually a really pretty combo. And this feels super, super duper creamy. Kind of like a lip balm. My lips needed it. I really like that. I really like this one. So all in all, I guess you could say what I like the most. I love these SINFUL colors. Eyeshadows, I think they're super pigmented, super easy to work with, really pretty, dry fast, don't get sticky, don't transfer around once you have them on. They last all day in the other shades. Haven't tried these, so I'll let you know in the description bar if it does move. If I don't have a problem, I probably won't write anything, but if I do have any problem at the end of the day, I'll write it in the description box. And then the lip liner, not my favorite again because it does tug and it feels hard, and that's why I don't love pencil lip liners. I'll use them, but it's not my favorite thing in the world because of the tugging. This is really creamy and I will continue to use it. I really like it. It's just a regular lipstick though. I don't think it claims to be long wearing. Okay, this travel brow kit I do really, really like. It was easy to use, super creamy. I like it. The eyeliner, don't really like. It was really tugging. I will finish up this little travel size just because I don't like to waste money, but I won't repurchase this again. I know for a fact. The other stuff I probably would, just given the price on the E.L.F. lip liner. If I need this color and it's affordable, might as well use it. But my eyes is just too sensitive of an area to like really tug on my eyelids like that. So that's the only thing that was a bust in this 5 first impressions. But I hope it was informative for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.